Okay. Okay. Oh, hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. My new glove and my bike. Just want to share with you the joy of going out biking. Look at my outfit of the day. It's the most comfortable, right? Now I only want things to be comfortable. I do not mind if it is pretty or not. It seems okay. I will wear this casque. Maybe I will not wear this heavy ski glove. And I can pack my bike inside. Now let's take a look at the bike. It's so small, so tiny, and you open it up. It's a very good, folding. I will show you when I open it up. Okay, now I have opened it, and I am good to go. It's a boom, 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 3 folds. Oh, look at the beautiful sky. Oh.